I'm gonna show you in this video how to fix a lag in Blender. So, hey everyone, welcome to How to Browser, and now let's jump right into the video. So, first and the most important thing is to go to Edit, Preferences, and here go to System, and here make sure you select one of these two. And here I selected this one, and also make sure to enable your graphic card. This is my graphic card. If it's not checked, then Blender is not going to use it to perform better when you're working in different projects. So please check both of this, even your CPU and also your GPU. So, and also now, let's say you have an object with a lot of faces, and that's what's causing the lag. Look how many faces I have here. So what you can do is to go to object mode and then go to add a modifier. Okay, add modifier, and then here first of all select the object and go to decimate, and now just collapse here, drag this down in the middle, or depends how many faces you want. As you can see here, face count, I have a lot, so I just need to drag this ratio down in the middle, so I don't have that many faces anymore. You can also go to on subdivide, that's another way, but now Blender is not responding for me. But yeah, that's fine. You can also go here and select on subdivide, and this will remove the faces. I have 3 million and it will remove them, but Blender is not responding because it has to remove a lot of faces. But yeah, that's pretty much how that's how I fix lag on my laptop if I have. Now obviously you should close apps in the background as well, because I have a couple of them. So you should definitely close apps in the background, try to optimize Windows. That's what I did as well. Make sure you are in performance mode, and that's pretty much it. If you know any other tips, you can leave them in the comment section so we can help each other. And yeah, thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.